I don't know how to sharpen this thing.
Hey Nathan,
Yeah, Josh?
I heard you don't know how to sharpen this thing.
No, I do not.
You know who's a really great person to ask about sharpening cabinet scrapers?
Who's that?
Me, Josh Durstein. So Nathan,
Yes, Josh?
I'm gonna run you through sharpening the cabinet scraper. Step 1, square off your edge.
How do you do that?
You take your file, usually you'll use one with this right angle guide. Line your angle guide up with the side of the cabinet scraper. Remember to always file forward and do some nice firm passes.
I see.
That'll help shave off the excess burr left on the top. So now that we've got it filed down, we're going to have a little bit of an unwanted burr on the edge. In order to get that nice and square, we'll use a stone. You don't need something with a super high grit for this. We're going to use an 800 grit stone. So you take your cabinet scraper, give it as flat as possible, and just sort of rotate it on the stone to get rid of the burr. Now it's nice and square. Now that we've got it all squared up, we can start shaping our burr.
What is a burr, Josh?
Great question, Nathan. I'll show you. But this is the side of your cabinet scraper. We want to get a cutting edge here. In order to do that, we're going to force this metal over this way and then force this same metal that's gone over the edge back in order to create the burr for our cutting.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Always a good idea to oil your burnisher. So what you're going to want to do is take your burnisher and fold the edge of the scraper over the corner.
Oh.
You want to have a lot of pressure and not a lot of angle. Now that the burr is curved over this way, we're going to want to curve it back so it can actually cut something. So you'll take your burnisher again. You want a very slight angle, probably about 15-ish degrees. I like to pull it over, give it a push, and then just to cap it off, flatten it, and make sure nothing's hanging it up top.
And is that all you need to do to sharpen a cabinet scraper?
And if you've done it correctly, that's all you need to do to sharpen a cabinet scraper. That's a sharp cabinet scraper.